Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to use the Find tool in Google Chrome to locate any piece of text on a web page. Let's start by opening Google Chrome and navigating to a website. Imagine you're on a long article, like this one about data structures in Python. If you're trying to locate a specific word, reading the entire article line by line could be time-consuming. Instead, the Find tool makes it quick and easy. To open the Find tool, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. You can also click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner, hover over Find and Edit, and select Find. Either way, a small search box will appear. Now type in the word you're looking for. Let's say we want to find lists. As soon as you type it in, Chrome highlights every instance of lists on the page. Here, we can see that lists appears 44 times in this article. You can navigate through each instance using the arrows next to the search box. The next arrow takes you down the page, while the previous arrow moves back up. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the Find tool in Chrome. If this tutorial was helpful, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.